So we are also continuing with the third example, still about solving simultaneous equations, saying solve the equations 2x minus 5y plus 2z equals 14. Another one is saying 9x plus 3y minus 4z equals 13. Then the third one is 7x plus 3y minus 2z equals 3. So we are going to look at the solution. Still, we are going to use elimination method. I first see the equations which are tallying. I can see there is this and this. They can easily be eliminated. I can say this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Then I can say equation 2 minus equation 3. 9x minus 7x, we are getting a 2x. 3y minus 3y, it is disappearing. Negative 4z minus that, we are getting minus 2z equals 13 minus 3, we are getting a 10. 2 can easily be divided, we get x minus z equals a 5. I call this one equation 4. Can call it equation 4. So our interest is now to eliminate also x, or to eliminate y from any equation. I can now deal with equation 1 and 2. I can say solving 1 and 2. So one deal with those ones who have got 2x minus 5y plus 2z equals 14. Then another one is 9x plus 3y minus 4z equals 13. I want to eliminate x. What can I do? Put a 3 up and or a 5 down and a 5. This times this, I'm getting a 6x minus 15y, then plus 6z equals 14 times a 3, we are getting a 2, we are getting a 42. Then we also move 5 times a 9, we are getting a 45x plus 15y minus 20z equals 5 times that one, I'm getting this is already a 5. That is 65. So how can we eliminate this one? We add this plus this, we are getting 51x. This and this, when you add, that is 0. This plus this, we are getting minus 14z equals, we are adding, this is 107. So this is equation 5. So our interest is solve 4 and 5. You can say solving 4 and 5. And how do we solve? We can say even from 4, make x the subject. What will be x? X becomes 5 plus z. So we say put x in 5. What is equation 5 saying? Is 51x minus 14z equals 107. We get 51 into 5 plus z minus 14z equals 107. So can we open the brackets together? We are going to say 51 times 5. We are coming out with 255. This one becomes 255 plus 51z minus 14z equals 107. Can we collect like terms? 51z minus 14, what do you get? 51 minus 14, we are coming out with 37z equals, we are taking it in the other side, and you say 107 minus 255, we are coming out with negative 148. We divide by 37. When we divide by 37, automatically we are coming out with z as negative 4. After getting z is negative 4, substituting to get the value of y, of x, you can say in x equals 5 plus z, x equals 5 plus negative 4. So x is automatically 1. After getting x equals 1, then you are free to substitute in any equation of your choice to get the value of y. So I can still substitute of all those equations, choose which one is better for you. This time around I can use equation 3. I can say in 3, 7x plus 3y minus 2z equals 3. So, can we substitute in the values which we have? We have already got the value of z, that is 7 into 1 plus 3y, our interest is on y, minus 2 into, our z value is negative 4 equals 3. We got this is 7 plus 3y plus 8 equals 3. So, collect like terms. 7 plus 8, you are getting 15, and when it goes there, it will become 3 minus 15, which becomes negative 12. So 3y equals negative 12. So y alone becomes negative 4. Can we conclude? We say therefore x equals 1, comma, y equals negative 4, and z equals negative 4. You have already finished solving that equation. And that's the end of solving simultaneous equations using elimination method. Next time when we meet, we shall begin with echelon form.